Sarah Sargent. I'm back with another video today. I'm checking out the new Lime Crime Plushie eyeshadow quads. I have the quad in Fresh Squeezed. Looks like this. If you guys want to check out what I thought about this palette and how I created this really fun summery bright look, then just keep watching. Okay guys, let's take a look at this cute little palette. This is the Lime Crime Plushies palette, and this is in Fresh Squeezed. The palette itself is very compact and cute, and then the inside has these really bright colors in it. There's this orange tone right here that's called orange juice. There's a bright yellow that's called jackfruit. There's this bright fuchsia one called dragon fruit, and then there's this brownish taupe color called mango. So this would be really cute for traveling. I think this is a really fun palette for summer. So I think we're just gonna do a really bright look today, a really fun look. So let's go ahead and get started. So first up, I'm just gonna deepen up my crease. I'm going to use this mango color right here, and I'm just gonna sweep that throughout my crease. Just get a little bit of definition going. As with all Lime Crime palettes, this is pretty pigmented, which is pretty consistent with all their other products that I've used. Lime Crime is definitely one of my favorite brands. I think their colors are very unique. Okay, so this color definitely did come off a lot more orange toned than it looks in the pan. I don't know if you guys can tell or not, but on my eyes, there's a lot of orange undertones going on, and in the pan, it looks almost like a camely taupe color. So just something to note. It does actually live up to its mango colored name. Next up, I'm going to take this dragon fruit color right here, and I am just going to put this in my inner and outer crease. Wow, this is super bright. Really, really neon, which is great. I was hoping for a really bright look today, and I think we're going to achieve that. So I am just packing on the color to start with, just getting it placed where I want it. And then I'm going to go back in with a fluffy brush and just blend it out. Okay, now I'm going to go in with my smaller fluffy brush and just blend that out. Okay, there is a little bit of fallout with this color, and I notice when I'm blending it out, the color does get a little bit patchy and a little bit washed away. So we're gonna have to layer this. So I'm just gonna go back and forth just to get this color down. I'm gonna pat on this pink color and then blend it out, and just keep going back and forth until I get the desired amount on my eye. Okay, now before I go too much further with the pink, I want to use this orange juice color right here and my flat brush, and I just want to pack that down the center of my eye. And then I'm going to start blending everything together. Yeah, these are basically neons. They're so bright. We are ready for underneath the eyes, and today I'm going to be lining my eyes with Kat Von D's Everlasting lip liners. I have two colors here. I have L.U.V and I have Sexer. So L.U.V is like a bright purple, and Sexer is going to be a hot pink. And what I'm going to do with these, I'm going to use the purple color on my waterline on the outside and the inside and smudge that down. And then with the hot pink color, I'm going to use that just right in the center to kind of mimic what we have going on the top with the pink and the orange, and then the pink again. So I am going to do that, and I will be right back. Okay, now that I have the eyeliner set, I am just going to mimic the top of my eyes on the bottom. So I'm going to, again, pop this fuchsia color in the lower lash line on the inner and outer, and I'm going to pop the orange color right here, right in the center. to pop this yellow color just right into my inner corners. It's kind of light, so I'm hoping that it performs more on the brighter side. It's kind of what I'm hoping for. To do like a pop of yellow just right on the inner corners. So that is pretty subtle. Okay, you know what? I'm going to take some Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray and I'm just going to wet the brush a little bit and see if that helps. Yeah, that does the trick. Okay, now that I have a good amount of product laid down, I'm just going to take my fluffy brush and just blend around the edges of that, just so it's not so chunky. So I went ahead and finished up the yellow on the inner corners, and then off camera I put on some mascara. Today I used Hourglass. This one is a little sample of the Caution mascara. And then I went ahead and popped on some lashes. These are Elevation lashes by Danessa Myricks. And so now I'm going to go ahead and pop on some lipstick to complete the look. So I am going to be using Suede Berry today by Lime Crime. I have never found the right look for this color because it is a very bright, like neon coral color, and I think that today's look will really suit this, so I will get to try out this color for the first time. So this is a super fun, unique color, but I think because it again has that neon in it, it did require like 2 or 3 coats to get it completely opaque, but it's super fun and I love it. Okay guys, so final thoughts on today's palette. This is the Lime Crime Plushie palette in Fresh Squeezed. And I think this is a very cute palette. I think that it is very trendy right now for summer. I think that you could create a lot of really fun, bright looks with this. It'd also be really great to use any one of these 4 colors in this quad to match with another palette if you didn't want to go like all out crazy bright with it. But it's super fun, and you know, sometimes it's fun to just go crazy and, you know, look really bright and playful. So anyways, that just about does it for today's video. Let me know what you guys thought about this palette and if you guys have gotten it. Also, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of my future videos coming out. You can also follow me if you'd like on Instagram at Sarah Sargent MUA. That's going to be my makeup page. And you can also follow me if you'd like at Sarah Sargent Pepper. That's going to be my lifestyle page. So just my everyday life. And I think that's about it. I hope you guys have a great day and I will see you in my next video. Bye!